welcome to my vlog. We are having a beach break and we're also running late. Actually, I was packing things kaninang umaga ng 3 a.m. pero nakatulog ako and it's currently 8:30 and everyone is rushing. Everyone is running late. It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning and I still have a lot of things to pack. And kakatapos ko lang din kasi maglista ng mga kailangan kong dalhin. So, it's messy here. I'm not gonna show it, but I'm just gonna pack things up. And tomorrow, I don't know if may problem kasi ako and may parcel ako na hindi pa dumadating and I needed that. That's why it's stressing me. Kaya, ayan. Things happen, maybe Mercury retrograde, but we'll get over this. Fighting. As an overpacker, we'll be playing a lot of Tetris in here. Ang dami ko pang ilalagay. We are running late and nakatulog ako habang nag-i-empake si Tete. So, pinutuloy ko yung pag-i-empake ngayon. And everyone is rushing. So, yeah. I'll just update you. Let's look around. Come on. Come on. Update, nasa resort na kami. It's currently 3:20 and kakarating lang namin dito and kakapasok ko lang din sa room. And I'm with Zion. And kaming dalawa lang nandito kasi yung mga tao nasa labas sila, may inaayos sila doon. And super init din kasi kaya gusto ko muna magpahinga sa kwarto. Hindi nakakalapi na yung init. Kakatapos lang din namin mag-lunch. And nasa taas ako ngayon ng bunk bed or double deck. And maya-maya alisin ko na yung mga gamit sa maleta. Nagdala kong maleta kasi hindi kasi yung gamit ko sa travel bag na pink. And ayoko na rin magdala ng madaming bag. Ayoko magdala ng 2 bag tapos magdadala pa ako ng mini bag na shoulder bag. So I decided na magmaleta na lang since 2 days kami magsistay here. And yeah, I'm just gonna arrange something sa kwarto and I'm gonna give you a room tour. This is our room.
Hello!
Hi! Very quiet and cozy.
Nag-vlog ka, no?
Yeah. You wanna say hi?
Hi! Manood kayo ng kapag di ka yung noon.
This is my bed. And then this is Zoe's. And then dito sila ate.
No! That's mine and this is mamaya pa siya.
Akala ko tabi tayo.
Sige.
Outfit check. Late outfit check. Lalagay. Okay, hindi ko na lang lalagay yung skincare ko and then yung makeup ko doon sa table kasi baka galawin siya ng mga kids and wala na rin nalagyan, no? I'm trying to find the better lighting nang hindi ko hinahawakan yung phone ko. I'm just using my phone sa pag-vlog. And I'm also deciding kung lalabas ba ako or hindi kasi everyone is outside na. And hindi ko alam kung i-idlip ba muna ako kasi I feel kinda sleepy. Kahit na natutulog naman ako during the biyahe. But, iba pa rin yung, syempre, iba pa rin yung nice nap. And yeah, as you can see, they are starting na mag-videoke. Should we go outside? I'm also trying to find a way to make this vlog interesting for you. But, gusto ko lang talaga matulog ngayon. I feel like I'm gonna nap muna. And I'm just gonna ask my sister later na picturean ako. Mamaya na ako aura. And yeah, I'm just gonna ask my sister na picturean niya ako later. Natin sa fine dining restaurant. Saan dito? Nawalang dito. supposedly hindi ako magsiswimming ngayong gabi. Kinabukasan pa dapat. And lahat ng outfit ko, kinabukasan pa. And this is my unexpected swimwear. This is my unexpected outfit. And naka-shorts lang ako. And then, yeah. And then, I'm gonna tie up my hair. I don't know if makakapag-vid ako sa pool, but most likely hindi. So, I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. I did dye my hair na lang, and then this is the... I'm gonna swim. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and I don't do breakfast, but mag-breakfast ako today kasi champurrado is an exception. Good morning, Zoe. Everyone is awake. As usual, may video ka na. And I'm gonna put my makeup on. Kasi, punta kami sa gitna ng dagat. If you guys are wondering, ba't hindi ako nag-film sa labas? It's because I'm shy. And they don't know that I'm vlogging. Vlogging. There's a few people who knows that I'm vlogging and I'm grateful for that. I really hope a lot of people do know that I vlog. A lot of people to know, a lot of people to appreciate. When I say hindi ako sanay, hindi talaga ako sanay. Kasi nakalimutan kong mag-sunscreen. But I will just ask for sunscreen na spray. Meron kasi si ate nun. Hopefully kaya niya. Oh my gosh. Medyo nasa-shy ako. But I'm gonna show you guys my bikini. Okay, room is kinda mess, but this is my outfit. Iba yung chair nila ngayon, no? Kapa ng ganda. Iba yung chair. Yan yun. They allow us to take pictures here inside. Pwede patikim din po ng liquor. Charot. It has a resto cafe here sa taas ng pinag-i-stayan namin. And we're here. Ganda dito guys. Oh my gosh. So pretty here, guys. I need this. I need this as a refresher. Ganda, guys. Promise. And they're so kind here. Very accommodating. Pinayagan na lang kami mag-picture sa taas. So pretty here. Ang ganda ko! Okay, I'm gonna go down now. Thank you po. Natapos na kami mag-swimming kanina. And now, palabas ulit ako. Kasi, I'm gonna ask my sister again to take a photo of me. And I'm wearing a dress. Wait, I'm gonna show you my dress. This is the dress. Balls. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and it is our last day today. Kaya susulitin namin tong araw na to. And it's already 7:10 in the morning. I'm so sleepy. Plus, dumating na rin pala si Mama kagabi. Nandun sila sa room. They're sleeping. And baka din mawala ng kuryente later. But I don't think maapektuhan yung aircon. I have charged my phone though. And this is the fit. I love this fit, guys, kasi nahihilig ako sa coquette. Nahihilig ako sa mga ribbon, baby pink. I don't wanna go home yet. tignan niyo yung view ko, guys. Tada. Zoe, what are you doing? Natatakot ako. Asan na yung ano mo? Alam mo ba, 2 years ago, may ganito rin ako sa'yo. Ang laki-laki mo na. Laki-laki mo na. I forgot that I'm vlogging pala. Paalis na kami. And it's already almost 2. And this is my last stop. And yeah, I forgot that I'm vlogging. That's why